Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you how to use Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, go to Phone, Device Manager and go to Add Device. Search for Bluetooth devices and select your smartphone. Confirm pairing on the smartphone and on the screen display. Confirm. OK. And on your smartphone select Use CarPlay. As you can see, Apple CarPlay has been connected. Thanks to it you can go to Maps, Music, Messages, you can check apps, Spotify, WhatsApp and many more. If you want to disconnect with Apple CarPlay, select Uconnect. If you want to enter it back, tap CarPlay again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.